Peekaboo Cousin Kids.
Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, playing in the grass and sun so bright. Red frog blinked and changed to blue. Then splash, he jumped out of view. Now four frogs left on the log.
Four little speckled frogs wiggled on the mossy log. One wore yellow and gave a cheer. She turned orange, laughed with glee.
Then splash,
She dove into the sea.
now three frogs left on the log. Three little speckled frogs bounced high above the bog. Green frog giggled full of delight. He turned pink, did a spin. Then splash,
He flopped right in.
now two frogs left on the log.
Two little speckled frogs were painting polka dot clogs. One was blue and sang out loud.
Turned rainbow bright, full of flair. Then splash,
He vanished through the air.
now one frog left on the log. One little speckled frog sat quiet on the foggy log. He looked around and changed to gold. He gave a wink, a playful grin. Then splash, he made the biggest spin. Now no frogs left on the log.
No more speckled frogs hiding near the logs.
They're swimming, splashing, full of fun, changing colors, jumping high.